Cut and Clean Lawn Care. You said you've never seen us Florida dudes out here sweat. We sweat. This shirt's supposed to be a lot lighter. Like that. We sweat out. Fast forward to the next day. By the way, Cut and Clean Lawn Care is one of my favorite channels on YouTube right now. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You're making good stuff. What's up? I'm headed to the first job of the day. It's another one of these days. Today's a sucky little day for me. I gotta go drop off the Hustler at the dealer. Do the first little 50-hour valve job on it. So I'm gonna use it today, drop it off when I'm done, and I'll be without tomorrow. We haven't used that Cub Cadet 33. But that's why I've been busting ass this week, trying to get ahead, so, excuse me, so that I didn't have to do too much without it. I did 13 yards yesterday. It's gonna feel weird without that, man. I have it every day now, so it's gonna feel like how you feel when you don't have your wallet. I'm gonna feel naked. I'm not looking forward to it. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be like an empty trailer. Got two little mowers on it. Whatever. Just got done eating some McDonald's. Breakfast of champions right there. Not. We'll see if I do any videoing while I work. There's another lawn guy in front of me. I won't throw him on camera though. Here we are. You guys have seen me do this house. See, this other house, this other neighbor here, I do them both. They're across the street from each other. And they owe me money for one cut. I cut the grass every week. They owe me for 2 cuts ago. They paid me for the last one. I said, oh, you guys pay me for 2. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm sorry, I didn't have enough on me. Can I pay you tomorrow? So I went there. I went there the next day. They weren't there. So I called them. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not there. Can you come by later? So I went by later in the day. Still not there. And I'm like, dude, I went there again. Called and told them, look, I was there again. I need my money. Went there the next day, still not there. So I'm gonna I'm not supposed to cut these yards till tomorrow, but I'm trying to, I'm ahead right now. I'm trying to trying to get done quick. So if they come out and see me cutting, I'm gonna tell them, look, unless you have money for today's cut and my last cut, I'm not cutting it. I'm not gonna do it. I came here like 3-4 times, called them a bunch of different times, trying to get this money. It's wasting my time, man. I'm coming over here for a $40 cut. Wasting my time coming back and forth, dealing with that. So we'll see. I'm not cutting it today unless they have my other money, unless they have the money they owe me. Bad idea trying to cut in the rain today. The grass looks fine, but look at the mess, man. Oh, that came out of the bottom of the mower just from this yard. I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna do this at every house. All right, so I'm calling it a wrap. I'm done. It's way too wet out there. Making too much of a mess. I'm gonna go home and clean the mower off, take it to the dealer. Let them do their thing. There's no point in continuing the day. It's not gonna get any drier out there. You can see the sky. Not a pretty day. You know what I gotta work on with this camera stuff? Looking right here at the camera. I'm always looking at myself. Makes it look like I'm looking over here. I need to start right there. I'm gonna work on that. So hard, my eyes just draw to me. Whatever, I get it. Let's see what we got under here. I just did this yesterday, so we'll see how. I did this after I finished my day yesterday. So let's see how 1 yard did. Not too crazy on this one. Let's go check the other one. There's the other side. We're headed to the dealer now. Drop that old Hustler off. Should be able to pick it up tomorrow afternoon or Friday morning. I'm hoping tomorrow afternoon. I don't want to be without her too long.
And now it's even easier to afford with payments of just $135 a month. Equipped with 32 engine horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and a hydro transmission, the 3E is built to dig into work, not into your savings. Stop by and check one out today. Offer ends August 31st, 2016. Subject to approved installment credit with John Deere Financial. Some restrictions apply.
Here we are. Time to drop her off. There she goes. Hopefully we'll get her back today, later today. They said maybe, or tomorrow. Now I'm headed to do one of my favorite things. Put some money in the bank. Here we go. Then I'm gonna go home. Done deal for the day, and it's only 11:12. Busted ass this week, at the beginning of the week, so I wouldn't get behind. So hopefully we get that mower back today, later today or tomorrow. I was able to get all of my tomorrow jobs done, so even if I don't get it back till tomorrow afternoon, I'll still be on schedule for Friday as long as the weather cooperates then. So that's where we're at with that. Later.